In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson TX210 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment program, we suggest you to disable for a while antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, you can download this resetter, the link on pinned comment. After you get this resetter, you need to extract the file first by right-click and choose Extract All. In here, you can click Extract. After that, you can open the resetter folder here, and you will see in the folder there is adjustment programs. Double-click in here. Just click Accept. After you accept the button, you will see there is Select option. You can try to click. You can using auto selection port, or you can manually select your port of the printer. Then you can click OK. After that, you can select particular adjustment mode button and choose was ink pad counter and click OK. In here, you can tick main pad counter option, click check button, then click initialization button. If you encounter error here, you can try to repeat the resetting process. Or, in the common case, you need to change your USB port to another, so your resetter will work. And after the resetter work, you can click finish and you can turn off your printer. Then you can close the programs and you can turn back on your printer again. That's tutorial how to reset Epson TX210 using resetter or adjustment program. Hope this video helpful for you.